back to Terminal Triage. Today we are looking at a circulation failure. The physical cables are green and the routing tables are populated, but traffic is being artificially restricted. We are hunting down an accidental tourniquet, an access control list that is blocking legitimate traffic. In triage, you always establish a baseline healthy patient first. We log into Workstation 1 and ping our target web server at 192.168.100.10. Replies are good. We pull it up in the browser, and the mission accomplished page renders perfectly. The server is up and serving traffic. Now we pivot to the affected patient, Workstation 7, sitting in the break room VLAN. We run the exact same ping to the web server and it fails. We verify the local IP address and see it is assigned 192.168.30.2. The network is treating this specific subnet differently. We need to check the security posture at the gateway. We move up to the primary router and run a show run to review the active configuration. Scrolling down to the access list, we find the culprit, an extended ACL named block break room, explicitly denying the 30.0 subnet from hitting the web server host. We scroll back up to the interfaces and confirm this policy is actively applied outbound on the break room's gateway interface in gigabit 0/1.30. We have our diagnosis. It is time to remove the tourniquet. We enter global config mode and step into the sub interface. To remove the policy, we negate the command. Pro tip for the terminal, always copy and paste your ACL names directly from the output. In a high-stress outage, a single case-sensitive typo will keep your network down. We paste it in, hit enter, and the block is lifted. We immediately go back to the patient to verify circulation. From the Workstation 7 command prompt, the ping to the web server is now returning solid replies. We open the browser, hit the URL, and the page loads. The artificial restriction is gone. Stop guessing during a blackout. Triage first, troubleshoot second.